Good morning, all my viewers. Today I'm here in Grand Summit Resort in New Hampshire, located in Mount Washington Valley, an area known its natural beauty and recreational opportunity. The resort itself rich history that dates back late 19th century. Originally, the area gained popularity as a summer retreat for wealthy visitors who came to enjoy the scenic views and fresh mountain air. The Grand Summit was hotel established as part of this trend, catering to tourists seeking leisure and relax in the White Mountains. And I'm here today and try to explore in the area. Mount Washington only 15 minutes from here. North Conway also right 15 minutes, and also you have Wildcat Mountains over here, and obviously it's surrounding in the mountain, which is I love. Thank you for watching. See you next video.